Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to adapt sound in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to accessibility. After that go to hearing enhancements. Now from here go to adapt sound option. Now by tapping here you can enable adapt sound and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you tap on adapt sound for option, and here you can see three options: only calls, only media and calls, and you can choose any option as you want, but I suggest you to set media and calls. Also at the bottom you can see three options: under 30 years old, 30 to 60 years old, and over 60 years old, and you can set any option as you want. Also if you tap on this settings icon, you can also adjust sound from here. And that is how you can adapt sound in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.